A little update. Had trouble installing this, but I read the directions here for this drive. It's already pre-formatted. NTFS. And of course, they want FAT32. Now listen here again. Tesla people could send a guy to the moon, but they want Windows XP formatting. I don't know. All right, so how do we get this out? Oh, so much for. Now it's difficult for me to see in here because of the lighting. Now it says here in the manual, okay, once you have formatted the USB drive and created the folder, Tesla CAN folder, insert it into one of the front USB ports on the Model 3. Do not use the rear ports, they are charging only. Make up to 15 seconds. When recognized, icons for dash cam and Sentry mode appear on the top of your touchscreen. Well, how do you exit this? Oh, dash cam. Warning. Is not accessible by reformat. Well, that's past notifications. Look at all the warnings I got. Driver's door is open. Not accessible. Reformat the drive. Okay. I'll reformat it again. I don't know. Safety, security. Sentry mode is on. Dash cam. Format USB device. Format. Did it do it? Save footage, launch viewer. Okay, it's launched viewer. Well, it must have recorded something, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that works. Front, rear. There's only a couple of seconds. But we'll take that as a win, okay? We'll play around with that later to see how that all works. Now, one of the things I noticed here, this little tab thing here. What's that? And I noticed some little bubbles down here. I thought, there's a screen protector on here? Yeah, there's a screen protector on here. I'm gonna leave it there for right now, until I get a real one, okay? All right, what's next? Let's see what else we got out here. Unbox. 4-pack car lift pad adapter. Oh, okay. Guess where these are going? Right in the trunk. Okay? They're in a nice little box here already. In case I get to a service station that doesn't know how to lift a Tesla, we're okay. Now here is one thing that came with the car. I had to put my own license plates on it. It came with this. But I think in my state I'm not allowed to have brackets around my license plate, so I didn't put that in. I'm going to wait on that one to see if that's legal. Okay, one more thing before we go. I got to remind people. Okay, I'm going to stand up for this. Okay. Remember, when ordering, click on the referral link. The link will take you to Tesla and automatically apply referral credit to your account. Do not go to Tesla.com to order. Credit cannot be applied afterward. Now, remember, disclaimer, this could be the best car in the world. I only have 40 miles on it so far. Thanks, guys. Catch you next time.